Welcome back to Introduction to Coding. I'm Dr. Kritzer, and this is Unit 1, Part 2. In the previous presentation, I talked about the benefits and the practical uses of coding. And now I'm going to introduce you to some programming markup languages. Nowadays, we don't need to be computer scientists in order to be able to influence how our web pages look. And I'm going to show you three markup languages that will be the focus of this course. And these are not programming languages per se, like the old binary programming languages only for computer scientists, or some of the newer programming languages. And these are for more of the people in the computer science field. But I'm going to show you three markup languages that you can learn, at least get familiar with, so you can influence how your web pages look. The first language I'm going to show you is HTML, and HTML is the focus of Unit 2. HTML is the content of your web page. Could be a link, could be pictures, could be text. It's the content of your web page. And then I'm going to show you something called CSS. And CSS is a way to style your web page, to make it look prettier, to add colors to it, to add different text to it. And then finally, I'm going to show you JavaScript. Not to be confused with Java, a computer programming language, but JavaScript will be able to make your website more interactive. And I will show you some of the JavaScripts that you might want to add to your web page. There are a lot of places where you could do coding online. Many different text editors available. And these text editors can be rather complicated. But what I want to do is I want to show you one that's going to be very good for the first 3 units of this course. And this is your text editor that you can use for HTML and for CSS. And I'm going to show you how to use this text editor. For example, we can make our own different displays, web pages, using HTML and CSS on this. And one really good thing about this site, and it's called landofcode.com, there's many examples that you're going to be able to use that will help you throughout the course. For example, let's say that you wanted a way to set up a simple document. Well, this right here will give you the framework for setting up a simple document. And you can alter the text and play with it any way you want. Just like that. And this is going to be the text editor that we will use for units 2 and 3 in this course. Feel free to play with it today and get familiar with it, and I will be back with you again for Unit 2.